We are at T-Hub Phase 2, inauguration of T-Hub Phase 2. We are showcasing Eyva here. Eyva is the world's first health tech gadget that gives 6 key vitals of your body by just placing your fingers on it. Eyva is the only device commercially available that gives non-invasive blood glucose and HbA1c levels as well. Here we have created a virtual world called Anthea Realm, where everything in the world gets impacted based on how your vitals are behaving. Eyva is actually designed for youngsters and older people both.